Hello everyone, my name is Angre and today I'm going to be presenting on the topic operating system process management, and I will be telling you about a brief description about it. Process management. Process management refers to aligning with organization's goals, designing, implementing architectural things, process measurement systems, etc., and education, and manage processes effectively. So it is useful in every single field in the world. Then business, it's also used in business process management. That's another detailed thing. BPM. You can also refer to automation efforts including workflow systems, XML, business process languages also, and ERP systems like the one we use at ADYPU. In this case, management emphasizes the ability of workflow engines to process, control process flows, automatically measure processes, and educating and organizing managers so that they will process effectively. How to use process management in operating systems. Process management includes various tasks like creation. So I have put a picture of a dog, which is a 3D model. So that it shows you can create things with process management. It allows scheduling like timetables, calendars, termination of stuff like ending tasks and processes, and a deadlock. Process is a program that is under execution, which is an important part of modern day operating systems. The OS must allocate resources that enable processes to share and exchange information. So process management is used in every single operating system like Google OS, Android, iOS, Windows, Apple devices, and Microsoft devices, etc. So it is a very important thing which is there in operating systems. Is not just software. It is a combination of people, policies, technology. While software interface helps streamline and automate workflow, processes once have been developed, software alone is not enough. Also, while business process management is typically managed as top-down, organization-wide discipline, many of the tenets of managing expansive organizational processes can be applied within individual departments or business areas as well. So it is not only software, it means an organization of people, computers, laptops, workflow systems, designs, companies, management, etc. Business analyst in a BPM, business process management. The role of business analyst. The goal of any process management framework is to deliver improved results while ensuring the best of existing resources. Process analysts are skilled in modeling future state business processes by helping conducting interviews, analyzing data in companies, and using processing modeling tools. These models are then used using workflow management tools to automate tasks, either human tasks or machine tasks that need to be performed during a process. Learn more about process and workflow analysis when you have time, when you need to, or just for general knowledge. So management is a type of process management because process improvement often requires new behaviors and technology. Change management is a critical part of framework and individual process management projects in businesses. A great process rolled or poorly is likely to fail. Okay, so training and coaching and ongoing involvement with processes among stakeholders affected by changes help ensure the new processes are adopted upon implementation. You can learn more about process management and rules for change management later. Okay, so these are change management is used to change workflow, change system, change strategies in businesses, etc. Key process management capabilities. Analysis, definition, and monitoring are the three main key process management capabilities. Analysts. Business analysts review current workflows, interview participants, and discuss desired outcomes with management. Definition. Process definition is a significant undertaking and involves scoping, prioritizing, and mapping business processes. Monitoring. Key performance indicators need to be established often in process definition phase so metrics can be tracked against them. Who is typically in charge of process management and organization? It depends. It's usually a PMO, which is the project management officers or officers. What is process discovery? Process discovery is a technique to understand and document everything about an organization's current business processes. Is process management the same as process improvement? Process improvement is a part, sometimes a result of good process management. In some cases, simply documenting roles and processes can help improve workflow. In conclusion, the emphasis of process excellence has become an integral part of management thinking and planning in successful organization. So process management has been used in everywhere in the world. It is impossible to reach the desired future state if management team of process management cannot agree what the future state should be. Strategic assessment should have a large process component to it. So process management is used for creation, scheduling, everything. It's used in companies, in schools, in every organizations, by many businesses, etc. So it is a very important thing in operating system and it should be not overlooked and should be studied and understood about. Thank you.